would tape us as we read our lines. Like Jim had the camera on his shoulders, and while he was directing us, and the basic direction was just do whatever you got to do, and I'm just going to follow you guys. To be actors and to be told that it's like, oh, you mean I can actually play, and I can go anywhere, and you'll make sure you capture it is the most liberating thing. So and Sam and I did audition together. We tested together, and then we booked it. So we had this very beautiful connection since the beginning of being these little underdogs. He could have very easily given the role of Neytiri to a series of amazing actresses that had more of a notoriety than I did at the time. I mean, I'm just from Queens, for the love of God. And Sam is this little Aussie hick from Australia who's so amazingly talented and elegant, and he saw us, and he really believed in us, and he fought for us, and then he got us into his mind and into his world, and it's taken us, Sam and I, a long time to get out.
Well, hopefully it'll be still longer yet, but back to the floor for the next.